Hi everyone. Um, so I need to make a minor change to my rig, and it ended up being a major change. I've got some new bass shakers coming in, and needed to make a bit more space for them, and get some space on the side of the chair there for them. But in the process, I decided to invert the pedals. I haven't finished yet. Trying to just get the right position. I need some more clamps because I can't get it all clamped up and sort of set up by myself here. So what's going to be nice about this is that I can put all the power and cabling underneath that pedal plate, and that means I can hopefully have a clean rig or clean setup in terms of wire management, because at the moment shit goes everywhere. Yeah, and that rig looks like an absolute mess at the moment, but the principle is that you have seat and then pedal plate on the top there, and then I don't know, I'll probably be able to make it a bit neater and hopefully do it out of metal at some stage. I've got a welder and learning how to weld at the moment. So that's the update. I also need to figure out a way to mount this new shifter, which is that one. That's pretty much just to try and replicate V8 supercar driving. I'll show you here. Kind of something like that. Anyway, see how it all works out. Thanks for watching.